Hi, my name is Megan Hernandez, and I'm a tax accountant and a business coach for bookkeepers and small business owners. Today, I really wanted to address my fellow accountants and tax professionals that are in the industry and are looking for a way to work from home or to kind of have more freedom, have your own time, work from anywhere, really, work from a coffee shop, work from the beach, anything like that. And I wanted to speak to you specifically because I've talked to some people recently that they're doing really well in their career and they worked hard for it. They went to school, they got they got their bachelor's, they got their master's. A lot of people have their CPA, a lot of people have their EA, enrolled agent. So they have these good careers and they're making good money and they have good benefits and all of these things. And so it seems impossible to match that working for yourself or working from home. So I'm here to tell you that it's not impossible. It's totally doable. Now, some of the stuff that you do at your 9 to 5, you might not want to continue offering if you work for one of the big 4 accounting firms and you work in the audit department and you do audits for, huge businesses. That may be something that it would be a little bit harder to find if you're working just by yourself as a freelancer, but also would you want to continue doing it? So the first thing that I challenge you to do is ask yourself, what do I like that I'm currently doing now? What would I be open to? Are you open to maybe taking on some bookkeeping work? Bookkeeping is a very, very needed thing, especially in the online space, because a lot of people are starting their own online businesses or they're small business owners and they need help, but they don't need to hire a full-time accountant or a full-time bookkeeper or a full-time CPA or tax preparer. So they just need a little bit of help. So that's where you could come in and you could help multiple companies, multiple clients. And that's actually how I started. I started with very, very small clients and accumulated a lot of them. And that's when I decided, first of all, I really enjoy helping small business owners that don't have any other way of getting help in this area. They don't know, they are social media experts or they are marketing experts or they do Facebook ads. They don't have the background that a lot of us have in accounting and taxes and bookkeeping and business finances and accounts payable and accounts receivable. Like they don't know all that stuff. And sometimes they can grow really quickly and need help fast and feel like they have nowhere to turn. So that's where you could come in. So that is a really, really awesome skill that you could provide. You could provide specifically tax strategy or financial strategy. You could provide just budgeting and forecasting. You could provide just tax services. So there is a need for all of those things, having your own business in the online space, and you can make it work. Some of the logistics you're probably not as familiar with because you've never had your own business. So there are steps to follow. There are certain things to do when you want to set up your business entity, get a business bank account, start tracking your own bookkeeping. So of course, there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve. So you can always come here to YouTube and find out, checking here and there and take a little bit of time to figure out how to make it work yourself. Or you can follow a course. Courses are really cool because you don't have to pay a lot of money to go to take a course from like a specific course from a higher institution, college or university. You can purchase an online course that's all encompassing. It's like, how do I make this work online? How do I start the business? How do I charge, premium prices? What do I do when I start to have all of these fears and thoughts? So it can kind of bring in all of these things that you maybe would have to pay thousands and thousands of dollars to take college courses on, or to gain a ton of experience working under someone, working under a mentor to figure all this out. And courses can be done really fast. So courses are great for learning how to enter the online space and make it work. But it's great. It's a really, really great option. That's what I did. I worked in the industry for over 10 years as an accounting professional, accounting manager, a CFO of smaller businesses. And then I had my son and I wanted a way to work from home. So I started my own business and I started small, working with just a few very, very small businesses. And I grew from there. And now I make way more than I ever did in my 9 to 5, way more than I probably ever would have reached in my 9 to 5 for at least 10 plus years I make my own schedule and I do it on my own time. So it's a really great option for you. I would love to answer any questions you have. I have a free Facebook group, so make sure and join. The link will be below where you can come and ask questions, get support, receive free training, all that kind of stuff. I also have a course. You can check out my course on how to make it all work as well. I would love to help you. I would love to answer questions on how you could make this work for you too, because I want you to have freedom. You love accounting, you love the financial stuff. You know, we're sitting here, we're the nerd emojis, and we're proud of it. And we don't want to lose that, but we want to have our own time. We want to make our time on this earth our own thing and take control. So I encourage you to look further into it. Don't give up on your dream if that's what you want to do.